We lived in New Jersey when Hurricane Sandy hit. That's kind of what started the whole process of getting prepared.
I realized, well, we need something for the family. So For Patriots actually opened up a whole new mindset. And actually, it changed my plans, but it changed it for the better. I didn't have to have them big, bulky MREs, and you could put basically about 5 packages of For Patriots versus 1 MRE in my bag.
Well, it's convenient, and you get
very convenient
more. An MRE, you get 1 serving, and 1 bag of For Patriots, you can feed your family.
We tried to make a bunker in our home because we have such a large family. We might not have the opportunity to bug out, so we have to bug in. That's another thing where For Patriots comes in handy. We can actually stock that food 25 years. It gives you some sort of security, definitely security. Calms you down. And like me as a dad, all I think about is, man, what if this happens? How am I going to feed all of these kids, you know?
When I gave it to my kids and they were like, Mom, it's good. I'm like, they liked it. They actually liked the mac and cheese. They liked the oatmeal.
The fireside stew was good.
Yeah, and I was shocked. I wasn't expecting that.
So I believe, this right here, it's a lifesaver because like I said, what are you going to do? Are you going to wait for rations? Are you going to wait for someone else to feed your family? Or are you going to jump on an opportunity now to, connect with For Patriots and have you some peace of mind?